Haha, it is me. Something like that. So I know a lot of you guys had questions about Eva Trends. Not a lot of you, but I've seen, like, when I was looking to try to figure it out, people were like, oh, it's really good. Sorry, my hair is what it is. Or it's really bad, or don't buy from them. So, I got my package fresh today. I've opened it up enough. It comes just wrapped in plastic. It's the gray plastic. Okay? And then inside, everything is bag. And more bags. This is the big bag I opened because I was really curious about this. So let me show you this. Pardon my Mugsy shirt. It's followed. You're going to have to live with it. So this is the princess coat. Yes, the arms do come to here, but it's probably more a fall coat than a winter coat. So just, you have a sweater. But it's super cute. Like, it's got a lot of swing. I know you guys can't really see, but it's like a real good princess coat. Like, you could have a friend in here. But one thing I will say is this pocket was sewn, not sewn shut, but they didn't cut the material or something. But the pocket was there, so I just ripped it open. So it's really warm though, I'll tell you that. And it's just, there's so much of it. It's so pretty. It's really pretty. The stitching's super, like, weird and raw, which is what I wanted, so that's okay. First, let's take that off. It's hot. So far I'm very pleased. I will say that their communication, not so good. They were supposed to send, like, updates to say when they sent it with, like, tracking numbers, and they never did, so. But it all seems to have gotten here, and it seems to be decent quality, so I'm happy about that. I mean, this is another really weird, I mean, it's huge. I'm a big girl, first of all. Second of all, I ordered stuff that was huge, so it'd be drapey and fun and lovely. Yeah, I mean, the quality is really nice. I'm really pleased with this so far. So this is like a big poncho. I think that'll be good. Should we try it on? Let's try it on. I have Mugsy on. I'm going over Mugsy. No show, no tell. Where the hell's the pocket? Pocket, sleeve. Where's the sleeve? Now, what I will say will be probably the undo of a lot of these clothes is that if you have big girl arms like I do, like really big arms at the top, I mean, this is okay. It's a little snug here, so if you have big girl arms, you know the Batwings, you're going to want to be very careful. I try to be very careful when I buy it. It's a little snug. I think this is going to stretch fine. I think for where it sits, I think it's okay. I think if you had to wear them up any further, tight. But yeah, super cute, super good quality so far. We'll be stuck in here forever. I know, this is not how the pros do it, but I'm not a pro, so guess what? Too bad. No, listen, I love you guys. And I just want to share it with you as it is, because that's how I am. I'm authentic, and I want you guys to be there for the experience. And sometimes that's good, and sometimes that's bad. This shirt I'm a little worried about. Yeah, this shirt might not. But it's cute. It's really cute. Really, again, nice quality, nice sewing. Really impressed with this. Okay, Batwing girls, be aware. These are not necessarily clothes meant for us. Though they're bigger, you're going to find these are a little bit snug. There. I can't believe I'm showing you guys this, but you know what? It's among friends. Yeah, okay, cute top otherwise. A little snug there. I'm not sure how I feel about that, but that's okay. Alright, next one. Oh, this one's a little see-through-y too. And some other fabrics, so be aware. I knew the Batwing thing is going to be an issue, so it is with everything I buy. So I try to buy fairly carefully, but and I try to look for stretch too. I mean, plain cotton, you guys know if you have Batwings, is not going to do it, unless it's cut really big. So no idea which way is the front or the back on this, so we're just going to go for it. This is another one, very much like the gray one, but a sweater version. So a little more stretch. Oh, goodness me. Yeah, definitely way more comfortable. A little snug on the neck, because I have a double chin. So, yeah, I'm not sure how I feel about that, but, you know. Okay, there's a back to go down. Okay, the sides seem to stay up a little high. Let me show you this one. Yeah, they seem to stay like to here. So, I mean, if you're a girl who does not necessarily want your chub hanging out, again, maybe not the shirt for you, or have like a little tank underneath it or something. That would probably work as well. Good quality. Happy with that. You know, one more thing. I will not divulge to you they had a sale on. That's why I tried them. I thought they had really pretty clothes and all that. And they did. Their selection of plus size isn't bad. The life of me do not remember. Oh, these are my wide-legged pants. Oh, honey, those do not look like my wide-legged pants. I would have to be the size of like. Well, I am kind of stumpy. Oh, you know what? Maybe they will. I think they'll be good. They're really wide. This is actually not a skirt, believe it or not. That is pant leg. I thought this was going to be made out of a much lighter cotton. It's actually a denim almost. It's almost a denim, which is pretty impressive. So, I mean, Batwings aside, because that's not really their fault that I have Batwings. I gotta say, really nice quality. These pants I'm super impressed with. I did not think they were going to be that thick. They'd be a really light cotton. So, yeah. Now, on the downside of things I don't like, this did not come from that. This came from Wish. This looked super cute. It's got lots of little danglies and, oh, my nose is itchy. It's that really weird feeling fabric, and that's where I'm going to stand on this. The inside's lovely. Really, it's lovely. The outside is like that. I don't know how to describe it to you. You'll know the fabric if you've touched it. It's that weird kind of cotton. I associate it with like dog beds sometimes, or really, really cheap flannel. Really cheap flannel. Yeah, that's the feel of this. This was not from them. This is from Wish again, but if you're looking on Wish and you're looking at this, please don't. If texture really bothers you, please don't. If texture doesn't bother you, it'll probably be okay. But yeah, that thing's gonna pick up dog hair and every hair, because I ordered a yellow sweater from somebody on eBay and it had the same texture and it was just coated with dog hair. So yeah, probably not the way we want to go. But anyways, and texture wise it just feels kind of weird, but we'll see. Alright, so I wanted to let you guys in on that because like I said, I know there were a lot of things. I got mine fairly quickly, let me tell you. I did not come prepared for this, as you can tell. I ordered this on January the 6th. It is today, January the 29th. So, not bad from coming where it comes from. And well packaged. Communication, not so great. Clothes, I think, are good quality. I'd say be aware of the stretch factor if you have, you know, the great Batwings. And be aware of just maybe where some of them are hitting, because if you don't want your chub showing. But, you know, that's not an issue. And you don't have the Batwings, then, you know, or you know a good, easy workaround for them, then that's cool. All in all, Batwings are not terribly much of a problem. Maybe, except for the cotton, pure cotton shirt. That's pretty good. But yes, that's my thing. It's not sponsored. I did buy all of this myself. Yeah, so, I mean, their packaging bags are really cute. I'm going to say that too. I think it's super cute. I'm glad it wasn't a box. These boxes are bulky and yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching. If you guys like it, like, subscribe. I still have the whole makeup revolutions stuff to do for you, and I still have the mystery black boxes. If you guys have ordered from the people who send you those pretty black boxes, you guys will know. But I still have the great black box to film for you. So, anyways, this was an impromptu. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for hanging out. Hey, so you'll forgive me. I just did a scrub. But I wanted to kind of touch base. Again, that sweater, a little weird feeling once I put it on. Once I wore it, I just wore it for like 20 minutes. It's so warm. The hood is really good. So, I mean, if you can get by kind of the weird texture on the outside, it's actually a really warm sweater. So I'm gonna totally correct myself on that and say, well worth it. And I'm looking forward to the second one that I ordered from the same person. It was a little bit different of a style, so we'll see. Fingers crossed. Anyways, I'll let you guys know. I hope you enjoyed it. The vlog, the update, the blog, all the whatever the heck's been going on. I still do have a vlog update. I still do have the makeup and the black box and the streams. But we'll get to that, and thank you for hanging out, and the links are there if you want to go check out the other stuff. Anyways, listen, I just wanted to let you know the sweater, not as bad as I thought it was, actually pretty good. So, my bad on that one. Thought I'd correct it. Alright, super cool. See you guys later.